What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are in our spot U.S. zone right by the lake. Well, pond, not lake. It's really quiet over here. I'll show you what I got really quick before we do a little park update for studios. I got a little goodie bag. And also, I got the new UOAP cup. It was a buy one, get one free, get one for my brother. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the Pass Holder Lounge. A little haul, as you want to say. Oop. It's like a sweatshirt. UOAP. It was like $20 off. Yeah, it's a pretty good deal. And next up, I got the magnet. Fresh magnet. And of course, the pen. Take a little closer look at that. And it says beignets. You can back of that. And today I am going to try a beignet for the first time. Last year I did not get to go to Mardi Gras because COVID shut it down, so I didn't get a chance to go. But this year I will try a beignet for the first time, and you'll be there with me. Hop along. Alright guys, we're back and we got the beignets. I'm not gonna film myself eating it, but I'm gonna let you know how it is after. And it looks really good, smells good. Let's go ahead and get into this. So I was after the mummy. Let's do a little walk and talk. The beignet was really good. Really powdery. Made a mess all of my pants. I probably would not get it again, but it was 4 pieces plus my annual. It was a little bit less than $6 with my annual pass discount, so that was pretty good. I don't know what I'm going to try next for Mardi Gras, but right now we're going to head over to the Mummy to check out the new updates.
Also be available exit as a reminder, all guests are required to wear face covering, visit, check needs, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to
Shark in the water, somebody floats so fast and don't look back and it closes and slams real slow. Chop, 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 chop. The Mardi Gras Sharknado! Chop, 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 chop. And have a happy Mardi Gras.
Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for coming on with me today for an update for Universal Studios side. You got to see some of the Mummy's new graphics. It's really good. I wish it would work on the brakes. That might be more better. My back kind of still hurts. I tried this on, try some of Mardi Gras, dude. It was pretty good. I want to come back for some more if I can, but if not, it's okay. I really enjoyed it in studios. It's around 2 o'clock now, and both parks already hit capacity already, so it's pretty busy. But thank y'all for watching. If you like what you like today, please like and subscribe. And also keep up to date with future uploads like this. For now, the adventure continues.